I have one brother and I have two sisters. My brother name is Mohit and my sister's name is Rama and Kanika. I have two younger sisters and I have elder brothers. My elder brothers doing preparation for SSC CGL and my sister. Hello everyone, good morning all of you. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you some English conversation sentences. Guys, if you watching this video, I know properly you are learning this language, you are learning English. Guys, first I would like to share with you, if you think like today you watching this video, and guys, if you think in a day or say you will speak English, you will learn this language. No, today you watching this video, so gradually you will learn this language, gradually you will speak this language, but definitely you will speak this language. Okay, because guys, language learning takes time, that is why gradually you will learn this language. If you think today you watching this video, and after watching this video you will start speaking this language, you will start speaking English. No, language learning takes time, that is why gradually you will learn this language. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you some English conversation, daily life English conversation, some sentences. So guys, this video will be very helpful for you, so watch this video till the end, don't skip this video. Okay, so without saying day, let's begin. First, my question is, what's your full name? Okay, ma'am. So actually, ma'am, my full name is Kashish Pandey. Wow, nice name, Kashish. Yes, ma'am, my full name is Kashish Pandey. So Kashish, please tell me. Please introduce yourself briefly. What's your name? Your qualification? What do you do? Your hobbies? So please, Kashish, first introduce yourself. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Actually, my name is Kassis, and I am 20. I am 20 years old, and I have been completed my 10th class. Now I am in 11th class. And if I'm talking my hobbies are reading books, watching movies on YouTube in English, and spend time with my family, and talk with my sister, talk with my friends. And I like music, and I like dancing. So this is my hobbies. And I have a brother and I have two sisters. And I love my family. Actually, there are 6 members in my family. Me, and I have a brother, I have two sisters, my Laddu Gopal, and my parents include me. So I have 6 members in my family. And okay, I'm learning English right now. That's all about me. Okay, Kassis. Okay, Kassis, I know you are very sensible and very intelligent girl. I know. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, you are intelligent girl. So Kassis, my next question is, what do you do in your free time? Like in your free time, you watching cartoons, if you talk with others, what do you do in your free time? My question is, what do you do in your free time? Actually, ma'am, if I'm talking my free time, in my free time, I usually read book, and watch movies in YouTube. And in my free time I talk with my friends, and sometimes I spend time with my family in my free time, and talk my sisters, study related conversation with my sisters. Yeah, so my free time, this kind of work I do. Okay, Cassis, fantastic. So, Cassis, my next question is, can you speak English properly? Can you speak English properly? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can. I know speak English little bit, and I can speak English little bit, but not properly. I know English, and I am learning and practicing every day. Okay, Cassis. My next question is, what's your favorite food? This is amazing question for you, because I know, Cassis, your hobbies is eating food. It is, so that is why I am asking you, what's your favorite food? pizza, burger, noodles. What's your favorite food? Biryani. Actually, ma'am, my favorite food is burger, but I like pizza and noodles. Yeah, I like pizza and noodles, but if I'm talking my favorite food, so my favorite food is burger. Yeah, I like pizza and I like noodles. Okay, Kassis. And my next question. So, Kassis, my next question is for you. Do you have any brother or sister, and do you have a sibling? Please tell me, do you have any brother, any sister? My question is. No, ma'am. I don't have any siblings. Only I have one brother and two sisters. I don't have any siblings. Yes, ma'am. Okay, you have one brother, okay, and you have two sisters. So Kassis, please tell me what's your brother name and what's your sister name. And Kassis, please tell me your sister what do you do, and your sisters what do you do, and your brother what do you do. And Kassis, please tell me you have your elder brother, or you have your elder brother or younger brother, and you have two sisters. You told you have two sisters. So please tell me, Kassis, you have your elder sisters or younger sisters. Okay, so please tell me. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have one brother and I have two sisters. My brother name is Mohit and my sister's name is Rama and Kanika. I have two younger sisters and I have elder brothers. My elder brothers doing preparation for SSC CGL, and my sisters doing study in 8th class. Yes, ma'am. I have one brother and two sisters. Okay, Kassis. So, Kassis, my next Kassis, question as you told me, like you like music. So, please, Kassis, tell me what kind of music do you like? Like old songs, new songs, Bollywood songs. What do you like? Please tell me. And if you like Bollywood song, old songs, why? Please tell me the reason. Yes, ma'am. I enjoy to listening soft music and Bollywood song. Actually, ma'am, it helps me to relax. So that is why I like Bollywood song and soft music. I listen. I enjoy listening to soft music and Bollywood songs. So this kind of songs I listen, and it helps me it helps me relax. So that is why I listen this types of music. Okay, Kassis, my next question is why are you learning this language? My question is why are you learning English? What's your reason why are you learning English? Because some students tell me, ma'am, because I like to learn English and this is international language. My question is for you, why are you learning English? Actually, ma'am, I am learning English because it an international language, and I like to learn English. I like to speak English. That is why I am learning English. And next reason is I want to become a fluent speaker. That is why I am learning English, and I want to fluent speaker. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Kassis, my next question is what kind of movies do you like watch? What please tell me, because you told me like I like watch movies. So my question is for you, what kind of do you like to watch? My question is. Okay, Kassis, and my last question is, so Kassis, my last question is, what's your daily routine? This is tough question. I think this is tough question for you, but please, Kassis, tell me what's your daily routine. No, ma'am, this is not tough question for me. My daily routine. So I wake up at 6 o'clock. So, ma'am, I get up 6 o'clock, and then I teeth my brush. Then I make my breakfast. Then I eat my breakfast, and then I get ready to go to school. Then I go to school, and I come back my home, and then I fresh. Then I take rest. Then I watch movies, and then I study, and then I do my work. Then I do my homework, and then then I do my homework, then I talk with my friends, then I eat my dinner, then I make my dinner, then I eat my dinner, and then I go to my bed, and then I read and I watch movies and I read some books, because I want to a fluent speaker. That is why then I read books and then I sleep. Okay, Kasi. So meet next video, and guys, if you like this video, please tell me the comment box, and thanks for watching this video.